Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, 103. Yeah.
What's up, man? this ain't even a topic, man. This is just something we want to let y'all know, man.
They lying.
No.
Introduce the world.
Man. All right,
They
man.
lying.
I'm gonna introduce y'all, man. This is Great Men Think Alike.
That's right.
We, the GMTA boys, and I'm T Mac.
I'm there. Rico.
And this right here, man. Let me let y'all know, man. Y'all be seeing a lot of crazy statuses that's put up. You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be the laid back type show. Just to let y'all know.
Right.
So
Roll up.
Yeah, I can do all that, man. But this nigga, man. I'm sorry, man. My buddies, him, and Young Shank are Facebook bandits, man. if you leave your page up, your status up, they are attacking and they're going with no remorse and relentless.
Man, ain't nobody did
it's
that.
a war,
I know a lot of y'all to see my status.
And a lot of y'all see mine.
Hey, look, we done got him a couple times.
No, a couple.
He done got us a lot.
He's on the list. He's on the list.
Oh,
him and
Shank,
Woo!
we coming for you, dude.
Woo!
You gonna see this, man. We coming for you.
Watch your Skypes. Watch everything.
If y'all don't know who Young Shank is, he's a local Cleveland rapper. Y'all look him up. Hot, yeah, he hot, man.
Look up Shank. Type in ass whooping. That's how you gonna be able to find him. You gonna see Shank with braids or with a black mark around his eye, man. He get my Facebook again.
Shank man got my Facebook, and this is kind of the rundown of what we do. We get on, we can hack each other Facebook, and we putting all types of stuff.
Whatever. The
nastiest. He got me. He talking about my. I can't help it. My penis is too small. This extends product is not working, and all this, man. My mother commented on my page. Hey, y'all looking at me? My mom commented on my page, man, and told me it was inappropriate to have a status like that up.
Talk about your inappropriate status. All I know is I look up somebody. I see something coming through my phone because my phone is easy access for my phone.
Oh my God!
Oh, my dick is bleeding. All I know.
And we got him. Hey, he had like 6 comments within like 10 minutes.
No, all I know is, oh my God, are you okay? Yeah, I'm good. Ladies, I'm good, man. What do I look like running around?
Yeah, we all
leaking stuff, man.
We are all good. Y'all just playing around.
They got to get the humor in things too, man. Who's gonna put? If somebody gonna put down their status, man, some people gotta think a little bit.
Listen. Y'all gotta think about this. How many times can we really get into their page? They put this stuff up in them damn cells. Don't listen to this nonsense.
No, okay. Hey, this right here is why he on the list. This is why he did it. Because you know what started? I'll tell you, when Shake got him first.
He got me first.
He got him. I wasn't even involved. He saw the shit. He was on the couch. He was pissed. He was very pissed. And the whole paragraph that he was writing, he said it. Oh, these niggas is on. I'm going to get them. Me, I'm an innocent bystander. I don't want to play these games.
No, hell no. He done got me twice.
He got me twice.
I
done been got about 15 times, man. I done been got more than all of them put together. And I'm not feeling this shit at all, man. So, like I said, man, y'all watch out for these Facebook statuses and comments, man. You know, these cats are silly, man. But the war is definitely on. And next thing
y'all check it out,
bro.
So y'all check it out. It's all fun. We just having fun. I know it may seem immature, but it's just between us. Because
we living, y'all.
It's just between us. Hey, we out here having fun. Y'all need to too. You know, y'all supposed to be living life. Man.
The girls I mess with, they know what the deal is, man. They know. So you need a reference, go ask somebody.
We good. We great men.
We all thinking like, but still, Raymond, we have fun, man. It's definitely war, man.
But they great men on their stands and shit.
When you surrounded by a circle of assholes, man.
Your mother's mad.
Got a dick. Oh, that's it, man. That's Facebook, man. I mean, that's it, man. That's Great Men Thinking Like, man. Just a little quick time we throw on, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Watch out for us, man. We got plenty more coming with y'all. And another apology, want to say, man, you know, I don't know what happened with our part 2 that we put up on YouTube. They just disabled our audio, you know. So I ain't even know, man. But we got that up on.
We took care of it. It's up there now.
It's on Facebook, but it ain't on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Can't get on YouTube. I don't know what's wrong. Remember I told them to take the flight down to the corporation and put my foot down. That's how I do. Look at me. I put my foot down.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, but anyway,
it's your boy Rico.
T-Mac, man.
It's your boy Vale, man.
We out of here.
That's it, man. GMTA boys, man. That's us.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 103.